Doing a vlog here at Cabramatta in request for William Quain. I apologise, there's not going to be any Cumberland Line trains in this video as it is a weekend. So enjoy. K69 and its companion now departing platform number 2 Liverpool service. First up Warwick Farm, then Liverpool. This train came from Sydenham. I apologise for the wind as it is a bit windy here. Rear half untargeted, so can't tell you the set. M set approaching platform number 1, Sydenham service. Front half M23. Behind me there's also a Waratah set A28 for Glenfield. Rear half of this M set is M16. A28 departing platform 2 Glenfield service. That train will stop Warwick Farm, Liverpool, Casula and Glenfield. There it goes. Just going to walk up here. Might just be able to see a bus through there. It's not in service, fleet number 1130. It's a man bus, so yeah. And the M set is about to depart platform. Sun's right in the way, so I'll just face it this way. Again, rear half M16, front half I think M36, M32 or M36, one of the two. I'm going to give a quick pan of Cabramatta, not all of platform number 1 because it's extremely busy. Facing towards Bankstown way, and that's platform 2. At the moment there are major delays due to a power shortage at Homebush, so trains are running about half an hour late, so which is not too good. I'm not sure, I think the next train on arrive on platform 1 is 38 minutes late, so yeah. Waratah approaching platform 2 Campbelltown service. This train is delayed by approximately 25 minutes. The set is A45. A45 departing platform 2 Campbelltown service. First stop Warwick Farm, then Liverpool, Casula, Glenfield, Macquarie Fields, Ingleburn, Minto, Lumia and Campbelltown. Waratah approaching platform 1. This is a Museum via Granville service at A21. This train did not actually go to Glenfield, it terminated at Liverpool instead. Due to the delay at Homebush. Don't know why it wanted to terminate at Liverpool, but it did. And it started there as well. Now departing A28, or supposed to. The destination board says it's at Liverpool at the moment, which is funny. Should be leaving. There we go. It's now gone a bit dark all of a sudden. And the sun's gone behind a cloud, which is good. And we have A70 for a Glenfield service. Don't know how late this is running, but I don't even knew it was coming, so yes. We have a Route 805, fleet number 14110. And here we have A70 now departing Glenfield service. We have another bus for Route 807 to Cecil Hills. But, look, there's the Waratah. Looks like it's sort of in the evening. It's not. It's like 12 o'clock. You might be able to see there is a Waratah in the distance, approaching for another museum via Granville service. This train is literally about a minute after the last museum via Granville service, due to the delays, obviously. This one is running only about 20 minutes late, but still, it's late. Set A69. I'm not sure if the wind is picking up or not, but yeah. This train came from Campbelltown. It's been the first train from Campbelltown in about 40 minutes going via Granville. So A69 now departing platform 1, museum via Granville service, stopping at Canleyvale, Fairfield, Guildford, Eunora, Marylands. I got that the wrong way, but then Granville, Auburn, Lidcombe, Flemington, Strathfield, Ashfield, Redfern Central. Again, set A69. Waratah arriving in a platform 2 Liverpool service. Okay, this train is set A80. The first train was supposed to go was the South Line train to Campbelltown, but obviously that's late, so the Bankstown Line train is going first. A80, the last Waratah to enter into service, departing for Liverpool. First stop, Warwick, then Liverpool. This train came from Sydenham due to track work between Bondi Junction and Sydenham. Seems like all Bankstown Line trains on the weekend always terminate at Sydenham. They don't, but it seems like it. Approaching platform number 1, Sydenham service, stopping Carringma, then all stations to Sefton, Birrong, Yagoona, Bankstown, all to Double Chill, Marrickville and Sydenham. The front half again is untargeted, the rear half is K69, as these trains departed off platform 2, and they were the first train I got in the video. So again, front half untargeted. I might be able to tell you what the rear half is. This train is surprisingly timetabled as a K-set on a weekend. Sorry, didn't get the front half again, so it shall forever be unknown unless you know the car numbers of it. K-set is now departing platform number 1. This train again is a Sydenham service, front half untargeted. And sorry, I said the rear half was K69, it's K96, not K69, so I got it wrong. Anyway, there's some freight about to pass as well behind this, as I'll get that when this leaves. Yeah, the rear half should be K96. No, K69. Oh. Some QR Nationals. QR National LBP03 and Orizon 6008. This train isn't too long, so. Oh, I might get it all. I'll film it this way because there's a lot of people facing the other way. Yeah, short freight train. So start off with a K-set and end with a K-set, basically. End freight. This vlog, I hope you enjoyed. See you later. Bye-bye.